Click the connect wallet at the top, and then you click here to connect the wallet. Okay, usually so you either are going for NotCoin or you're going for Keeper, that is this. For NotCoin, I use NotCoin open wallet. I told you I've connected mine before, so I'm just doing this so that for those who are not connected, you just know what to do. You click that to connect, it will load and it will connect it. Once that's connected, then we'll move on to withdrawal. Okay, so you click to connect wallet. Okay, so you see community now connected, that is to connect your Ton wallet. Okay, so the next thing you do is come to click this up arrow facing here so that you can link to your exchange. Now once you click the arrow, then you go to exchanges. Okay, go to exchanges, click continue. Now you have the option of using ByBit, OKX or Binance. I'm going to use ByBit. Then send. Okay, I have a ByBit. If you don't have, that's where you need to create. If it's not Binance and the rest is the same thing, but I have. So yes, I have. Alright, so this is where we link. I have to go to my ByBit now to copy the deposit address and then the memo. This is my ByBit wallet now. I have to locate where I have it. You have that asset. Okay. So we go to deposit because that's what we want to do. Deposit. We want to deposit crypto. So now you're going to do a search up here. So click that space and then I'm going to type not. Okay, so this is NotCoin here. This is NotCoin or TonCoin. NotCoin. Okay, NotCoin. Alright. Alright, so when you choose NotCoin, you have to come to this place to click on the network, and when you are clicking the network, make sure it's Ton. So Ton network, so this is what we need. We need the address, this is the address we need, and then there's a place where we need the memo, is this tag you put in the memo. So we click this first to copy the address, paste, this is what pasting the address here. Now when you copy, you must ensure what you copy is exactly what you are seeing here. Copy AQDB. Okay, correct, sorry. It was showing me towards the end, that's why I thought FPQB is what we have at the end, right? FPQB, so copy the tag now. Copy the tag, and then we'll come where you have memo, you paste the tag. Paste 107522284. Alright, so we see that that's what we've copied. Then we go back there and then come down here to keep going. Check your data, deposit address, blah 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 blah. And you may lose your token if this data is incorrect or your account is blocked. KYC passed. Only exchange is required to verify your identity. Yes, we have verified our identity. They're chosen, so you don't need to choose it. So it looks good. Once you click, looks good. 27 with withdrawal of 27,293 NotCoin with 1.5% fee. I click done. Your NotCoin will be deposited to your account at the time of listing. So nice. And ladies and gentlemen, you are done. Now when it's showing 0, you can see it's showing 0 now. That shows you that my NotCoin has left here. See withdrawing here, so it will be listed, it will be transferred to my ByBit on the 16th when they start listing and all of that. So that's how to list, that's how to withdraw, and how to get your NotCoin delivered to your wallet. That'll be all for now. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share this video to help others who are yet to do that too.